Hi, I am Paula.
I'm Jing. I'm Yuxin.
This is the result of our project for user experience and interaction class. For this project, we designed an app called Sage Meals, and our goal is to help people with limited free time to plan their meals easily with recipes that fit individuals' needs and work flexibly with their schedules. Next, Yuxin will talk about our user research and design communication tools we designed.
During user research, we interviewed 9 people who had limited free time due to work, study, or family responsibilities, and were the person in charge of cooking. After the user research phase, we learned that we need to adjust our problem statement. We changed our problem statement because we listened to our interviewees, how they think about their recipes and meal plan. This slide shows interviewees' concerns and when they planning their meals from users' input. We create our persona, Nini White, a full-time software engineer who likes to cook for her family and struggles to find the recipes that will fit her family needs. This is Lily's jolly map and represents how she feels when she is planning the meals and cooking. The storyboard tells Lily's story when she is planning the meals for her family and ends showing her happy after using our app. Those are very important when we were designing our prototype.
The next step was to create a prototype for our design. This is our prototype. To start, users would be able to log into their accounts or to register a new account. From our user research, we identified the need of at least 5 main elements to include in this prototype. That is user home, recipes, meal plan, shopping list, and profile. With Sage Meals, users can keep track of everyone's dietary preferences and restrictions, and then they receive recipe recommendations based on the preferences. Users can also search for recipes by ingredients. They can use scan functions to scan ingredients or input ingredient name to get recipes. Then they can add meals to the meal plan and edit meals as well. Besides, users can add the ingredients of recipes to a shopping list, which could help them remember what they should buy in a grocery store.
From this experience, we learned a couple important lessons. One, nothing set in stone. Things can change, and we may end up with a completely different product. Two, we need to listen to what the users want. We are designing a product for the user, not for ourselves. Finally, we need to evaluate and test our prototype carefully. This process is important to find usability flaws and also to highlight the strengths of our prototype. For next steps, we would like to refine the prototype based on the evaluations finds, do usability testing, and iterate on the prototype to evolve it to a high fidelity prototype, and also do user testing on our project. This is our project for UX and interaction class, and thank you so much for listening us.